Hello grade 12s and welcome to the second part of fertilizers. This is where we deal with the NPK ratio. Please take it down. Number 1 states, what do we call the numbers that give the mass ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium respectively in the fertilizer? That is called the NPK ratio. Okay. Number 2 states, give the name of the plant nutrient that promotes leafy plant growth. Remember from that table, leafy plant growth is nitrogen. Promotes strong roots. Root growth and development is phosphorus. Promotes healthy fruit. Root as well as healthy fruit is phosphorus. Promotes disease resistance. Disease resistance is potassium. promotes fruit growth. Once again, potassium. Fruit growth is potassium and then healthy fruit is phosphorus. Don't get those mixed. Promotes faster plant growth. Leafy plant growth and faster plant growth is nitrogen. Promotes blooming. Blooming is phosphorus. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Number 3 states, name any 2 micronutrients that may be added to the fertilizer mixture. These are calcium, sulfur, some magnesium too. Number 4 states, calculate the mass of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium that is present in 600 grams of an industrial fertilizer with a NPK ratio of 6:4:5. Then in brackets you have 45. Remember, the number in brackets indicates the mass that is fertilized. So the nutrient mass is 45% of the mass, which is 600 grams. (270 grams). That is N is to P is to K. We have 6, which is N, 4, P, 5, K. So the total units (6 plus 4 plus 5 15). Right? N is 6, so the mass of nitrogen is 6/15 times 270 grams. (108 grams). Right? Then the mass of phosphorus, 4/15 times 270 grams. 72 grams. Okay. Then the mass of potassium, 5/15 times 270 grams. 90 grams. I hope that makes sense and I hope that is clear. Number 5 states, calculate the mole ratio of an industrial fertilizer with the NPK ratio of 5:3:2, open bracket 80, and a net mass of 8,463 kilograms. Okay. Okay. Mole ratio, moles. We follow the same procedure, right? So the nutrient mass (30% times convert this into gram. 8463 gram. I'm getting 2538,9 grams. And then total units. Five plus 3 plus 2, 10. Right? Then once again we go with mass. Mass of nitrogen 5 over 10 times 2538,9 grams. One thousand 269.45 gram. That's the mass of nitrogen. Mass of potassium, it's 3 over 10 times 2538,9 grams. Seven hundred and 61.67 grams, right? And then the mass of potassium is 2 over 10 times 2538.9, which is 507.78 grams. Aha! Right? But these are the masses, right? And remember the formula, number of moles is mass over molar mass. You can use a table to simplify this. Whoa. But I'm going to say number of moles of nitrogen is mass of nitrogen 1269.45 gram over molar mass, which is 14 grams per mole. (90.675 moles). Right? Number of moles of phosphorus 761.67. Molar mass of phosphorus is 31. (24.57 mole). Right? And then the number of moles of potassium 507.78 gram. Molar mass of potassium is 39 grams per mole. I'm getting a long number. 507,78. Sorry, I inserted 75 on my calculator. Or 13,02. Okay, you can leave your answer like that. That would still be acceptable. Or you can round it up. You can say 91 is to 25 is to 13. That will still be acceptable. Okay. Number 6 states, calculate the moles of phosphorus P in 213 gram of an industrial fertilizer with the N is to P2O5 is to K2O mass ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 8 in brackets 50. Okay, now this one is hard because it's not pure. This one is pure nitrogen, but this is not pure phosphorus. It's diphosphorus pentoxide. And this is not pure potassium, it's potassium oxide. But we are asked to deal with specifically with phosphorus, right? So we do the same thing. Nutrient mass %, times 213 gram. (106,5 gram). Total units 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15. Okay. Then we calculate where there's phosphorus. So we calculate the mass of diphosphorus pentoxide, which is P2O5. It is 3 over 15 times 106,5 grams. (21,3 grams). Right, that is P2O5. Right? Now we need to calculate the number of moles of phosphorus. So we can calculate the number of moles of P2O5. First, we need to calculate the molar mass of P2O5. 2 times 31 plus 5 times 16. 142 grams per mole. Okay. Number of moles, mass over molar mass. 21,3 gram over 142 gram per mole. (0.15 mole of P2O5. But remember, 1 mole of P2O5 contains 2 mole of phosphorus atoms, right? Because it's P2, right? So therefore, number of moles of phosphorus 2 times 0.5 0.15 mole. Zero comma 3 moles. I know that may have been too hard, especially the last one. Okay, it was asking specifically for the number of moles of phosphorus. That's why it specifically said P in brackets, and that's why it's number of moles of phosphorus. Okay, be careful of such. If you found this helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. The next ones will be modified from past papers. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.